प्रॉपर वे में चला है, तो क्या होता है कि कोई भी प्रोजेक्ट डालो ले लो। नाउ दे वांट कि इंडस्ट्री के साथ लिंक हो, साथ में आगे बढ़े। Good afternoon, everyone. Am I audible to you? Please let me know and whether my screen is visible to all of you. Yeah, good afternoon, Kamlesh. Yeah, good afternoon, Bansit. So I'm trying to carry out some new work. Yeah, just give me a minute. I'm just trying to no, it's okay, it's okay. So I can see there are good, it's good, it's good. Nice to see that. Yeah, it's good. Yeah. Good afternoon, Anupama. Okay, Kamlesh. So I can see there are only five students. Can you ask others to join from batch A? This is batch A, right? Bansit, Shubha, Vatsal. Yes. Will you please ask the others to join as early as possible? Meanwhile, if you have any doubt, if you want to interact, if you want to discuss some more points, please let me know. Okay. If you want to add some more points, Anupama, Shubha, Vatsal, I hope you are aware about all the guidelines of GATE examination as well. Okay. So still, if you have any doubt, you can go through the website as well. Hmm? Good. Is it visible to all of you, Anupama? Screen is visible. It's good.
Yes, sir.
Please let me know. Yes, I'm trying to do something good. Yes, am I audible now? Is it clear to everyone? Good. So welcome back once again. I can see out of 2022 students, there are only five students are available for today's session. So welcome back once again. I just asked to everyone, so please let me know if you have any doubt. Okay. Just give me a minute. I have some. It was stopped. So here we are going to discuss in terms of computer-based simulations, along with a kind of optimization strategy as well. Right? Yes, Shubha. Introduction about the experiments which we will study in this course. Yes, perfect. That is what we are going to discuss. Okay, that is what we are going to discuss. Okay, yes, great. Thank you, Anupama and Shubha, for this input. Others, they can also discuss in terms of whatever you are thinking about the lab or the course as well. Okay, so as all of you are aware that, let me, will it work? No. Okay, so uh, since in every class, before in the first class, you must aware about what you are going to discuss and what is the significance of it. Okay, so in addition to the course content, whatever we had discussed, that is teaching and examination scheme, that is theory class, theory syllabus, right? And after that, we have to discuss about the number of experiments or about the details of the experiments which we are going to conduct in this lab session. Okay, so this is the list of experiment. Okay, this is the list of experiment. I don't know why it is not working. Mhm. Okay, fine. Fine, fine. right? Yes. And just give me a minute. I think this is visible to all of you. Good. So this is the list of experiment. That is what we are going to study. So if can I? No, I can't. I want to annotate here, but annotation is not available. Looks like in this. Okay, good. So here, if you are able to see the list of the content, okay, which is here, right? So which tries to tell us about the different softwares those we are going to use or the work which we are going to conduct, right? So in the first experiment, we are going to discuss in terms of Excel, MS Excel, okay? The word MS stands for, can you tell me? In this MS Excel, the word MS stands for, can you tell me? Very good, Shubha. Perfect. Only one response. Am I audible to all of you? Sagar, Bansit, Anupama, Kamlesh. Very good. Yes. Yes, Anupama. Great. What about the others? Am I audible to all of you? Please try to respond. Okay. Yes. So MS stands for Microsoft. Okay. So there is a package called Microsoft Office where these options are available. So one of the important application is Excel, Microsoft Excel. Got it? So there you might be aware about how the Microsoft or the Excel it is working. But as I had discussed in the other lab sessions here in the physical mode as well, many students they are just aware about the few things. Okay, they were just aware about the few things, but Excel is one of the vast kind of application where lot of functions or lot of mathematical operations we can perform. Not only simple mathematical operations, we can deal with the statistical as well as advanced options as well. So here in the first experiment, we are going to discuss about the analysis of variance, ANOVA. Okay, so as far as syllabus is concerned, the first experiment it is with the help of Excel, where we have to discuss in terms of ANOVA function. ANOVA, it stands for analysis of variance. Okay, since we have discussed in our PMS course different parameters, okay, lump parameters or distributed parameters. So this is one can say the application of the discussion whatever we had in the seventh semester. So the operations we are going to perform in terms of optimization course. Okay, so this is the first one, it is using the Excel, MS Excel. There we are going to use the Microsoft Excel once again to study the solver option or to study the given function or the parameters using the solver approach, right? uh, if you are aware about the solver, it's well and good. If not, we are going to discuss this in our upcoming lab sessions, right? So you may say that sir, we haven't seen this solver uh, app or add-in in our system. Okay, you may or may not be. Okay, you may or may not be, because this is a kind of add-in which is given by the Microsoft that is not mandatory in all basic packages. You have to add that. Okay, you have to add that. Though it is available in your system, you have to activate it. Okay, so solver, we are going to study about the solver as well. Okay, so solver function. Got it? So in the first two experiments, we are going to discuss about Microsoft Excel. Okay, though you are aware about Microsoft Excel, these are the features, let's say advanced features, which may help you to study and discuss more and more about the optimization as well as process modeling. Got it? So this is in first two experiments where we are going to discuss in terms of Microsoft Excel. Got it? Whereas in the third experiment, we are going to study about the MATLAB. Okay. So can you tell me how many of you are aware about the MATLAB right now? MATLAB software? Yes, 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 or no, no, no in the chat box. Let me know if you are attentive. If you are aware about it, let's say yes. If you know something about the MATLAB, if you have seen in the previous session somewhere, okay, only one response. There are 8 students now. Yes, 2. So Anupama and Shubha, both of them are attentive. Others, please try to respond. Okay. Okay, fine. Right. So good. So yes, we have seen in terms of MATLAB as well in the last session. So at least I can say you are aware about what is MATLAB, how we can work. So basic calculations, you are aware about the basic calculation that is written in the experiment number 3. Okay. So from there onwards, we will start discussing about the MATLAB. Okay. There, once again, we are going to start in terms of MATLAB. So there we have to find out the Lagrange's polynomial for the given data using MATLAB. So data will be provided. Only the thing is we have to do some kind of mathematical operations. Okay. So functions. So how to insert the function, how to write the code, okay, and how to run it. That we'll try to do in the experiment number 3. Okay. In the fourth experiment, what we are going to do, we are going to fit a polynomial curve for the given data. So data will be provided to you, and in experiment number 4, which is mentioned here, right? Which is mentioned here, this side, right? So we are going to study in terms of 2 softwares. The first one we will discuss in terms of Excel, then we'll discuss in terms of MATLAB as well. Okay, so the experiment number 4 can be conducted in 2 ways using Microsoft Excel, as well as the other name for it, it is spreadsheet. Okay, Excel or spreadsheet, right? And we will perform experimentation using MATLAB as well. Okay, in the fifth experiment, what we will try to do, we'll try to deal with some kind of complex problem statements. First is very basic, where we have to deal in terms of Excel, find out the ANOVA, then some kind of statistical operations, right? And thereafter we are going for the MATLAB programming, right? So now what we are going to do, we are going to write a program for that respective phase. Let's say bisection method, regular Folsom method, or Newton-Raphson method. For these 3 methods, we may try to write the MATLAB code, and that we will try to execute. Okay, the same we will try to execute with the help of this experiment number 4. Okay, sorry, experiment number 5. So you may say, sir, we are aware about this. See, by looking at the experimental list of experiments, you may say that, sir, we are aware about the techniques how to solve it. Right or wrong? Kamlesh, Savan, Bansit, Sagar, Vatsal, am I audible to you? Okay, Kamlesh is here. Very good. Yes, Sagar, perfect. Sagar, you are in the, okay. You are not here. Okay, good. Okay, fine. So you guys are aware about this, how to solve once you are provided with the data or the data set. Okay, so the same problem statement you may observe here, but the idea is we'll try to solve it with the help of advanced software like MATLAB. Sometimes it may happen that we may work on Excel or some other software. Okay, so this is our experiment number 5, which we are going to conduct in this lab. Okay, next, in experiment number 6, we are going to discuss in terms of different kind of functions like trapezoidal and Simpson's method using MATLAB, right? So you know about this. So depending upon time and requirement, we may discuss. Okay, if there are few students in the physical lab right now, I have not seen anyone today in today. There is no one in the physical class from your batch, right? So there we'll try to conduct few experiments, right? And that may helpful to everyone as well. So I will try to perform it, or I will try to give the code, or we will try to write the code, right? So the methodology which is to be followed, it solely depends upon the appearance in the hybrid mode, whether students they are coming in offline or online. So depending upon that. Okay, and since we are having less time, so we'll try to uh, continue the work as fast or as quick as possible. Okay, because there are a lot of obstacles you may aware about it, right? So we'll try to work on it. Got it? Any doubt till this experiment number 6, or do you want to add some more points to it? If you want, please let me know. Any doubt from anyone? Achal? Okay, good, Bansit. Nice, great. Okay. At least I have received response from Bansit. Fine. So after that, we'll try to discuss in terms of evaluation of given function with the help of Eilers and RK method, Runge-Kutta method. Okay, using MATLAB itself. Got it? And this is what, how many softwares we have seen till now? 2 softwares. Excel, then MATLAB, right? Next part which we are going to discuss, it will be in terms of statistical software, right? It's R. This is open source software, freely available open source software. Okay, so you can download it, and this is based on the coding. This software is based on coding. Right now also, if you can explore that requirement of the softwares from the technical or core, with core background, you can see that there are a lot of openings. They may have, they require specialization in this software, our software. Okay, so what we'll try to do, we'll try to discuss in terms of our software, what are the features, how we can work on it. Okay, so this is the experiment number 8 for us as per the curriculum, right? That we will try to discuss in experiment number 8. Apart from that, see, we will see in terms of Excel, we will see in terms of MATLAB, then we'll go with the R software. Other than that, if we can explore, there are a lot of softwares which deals with the optimization, engineering optimization, chemical optimization, right? So that we will try to discuss in experiment number 9. So see, if you can remember from experiment number 1 to experiment number 9 here, right? We started with basic Excel, then we started working with the MATLAB. Let's say then we'll start working with the MATLAB. We'll go with the advanced, that is our software, and at the end we'll try to explore the different opportunities where you can contribute in terms of your future career as well. Okay, future career as well. Got it? So we will try to study the optimization method used in various process simulators. Okay, we'll try to discuss about it. If it is freely available, I will provide the details so you can download it, or you please provide me the details, sir, that this is very important for all of us. If it is available, we can work on it. Even one of your some of your friends, they are working in the Ansys or some other softwares. If we have that kind of student license with us, I may go with the same as well. Okay, I will use that laptop of that respective student, and we'll try to perform some experiments based on that as well. Okay, so we are not going to restrict our discussion with the list of experiment which I have shown it here. Okay, so that is what we will try to discuss in the course. Okay, so anything else if you want to discuss other than this, please let me know. I think Prince, you had some network issues, so you are a little bit late. So in the first lab itself, my intention was to provide you the details about the lab, what exactly it is and how we are going to work. Okay, Prince, that is what we have discussed. So there we can perform many experiments depending upon your interest. Okay, because since for the Monday's batch, I have started, we have started working on Microsoft Excel. So there are a lot of points which you might have not explored, and that may be helpful for each and everyone. That may be helpful to each and everyone. So let's say we may or may not restrict our laboratory session to these set of experiments. Okay, we may go beyond this. You may say that, sir, you told me that these are the experiments, and but we are discussing something else. So depending upon our interest and depending upon the requirement, we may change the track. Will it be okay? Will it be okay? Savan, Kamlesh, Anupama, Bansit, Danish, Prince, Sagar, Shubha, Vatsal. Okay, thank you, Kamlesh, Anupama. Yes, Sagar, we will try to perform. We will try to perform. Though it is a study experiment, we will try to explore it. Okay, we'll try to see what are the features of the R software. Okay, and whenever you are writing the name of these softwares, please do remember there is trademark for the names as well. So जब भी आप कुछ नाम लिखते हो किसी सॉफ्टवेयर का, do remember it must be as per the proper naming sequence. So R must be always capital. R must be always capital. Got it, everyone? Any doubt? Any suggestion? Any doubt? Any suggestion? Am I audible now, Bansit? Bansit? Okay. Thank you, Anupama. Thank you, Sagar. Mhm. But still, if you want to ask some more questions, please let me know. If you have any question, Prince. And please do remember you have your special training. Okay, thank you, Prince. We are trying to do something new and new everywhere. Yeah, thank you, thank you, thank you. Good. Yes, I hope those who are preparing for the gate, they are giving their best. Okay. Please go through the all guidelines given by the gate authority, because this time it will be a tough work for everyone, right? So if you have any doubt, if you have any issues, then please let me know. Can I go like this? Yes. Do you have any doubt? No, no. Okay, Bansit, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I hope you are getting the points, whatever I am discussing, okay? And one more point, one more point. If you want to study along with me, there are the software, there are few softwares with which you can work, okay? With which you can work, let's say, yes, right? With which you can work. Yeah. So there are few softwares which are available for your Android phones as well. So Microsoft Office, it is available, if I'm not wrong. So as per the suggestion of your friends from the A batch yesterday, what they are going to do, they are going to install the software in their mobile itself, if it is possible. Okay, and they are going to perform the same operation or the experiment along with me. So let us start with MS Excel itself. If you are having laptop, then well and good. Okay. If not, we have facility to work with our mobile phones, which is having Android version, right? So we can work on that. We can work on that, right? And that will be helpful for every one of us. Got it? So that is the agenda of today's session. But still, if you have any doubt, if you have any suggestion, please let me know so we can incorporate in our upcoming labs or in theory classes. Okay, anything if you want to suggest, please let me know. No? Good. Yes, so this was the agenda for today's class where I thought to discuss you about what we are going to perform, what is the aim. Okay, so the aim is to facilitate the different kind of softwares and how they are performing in terms of simulation as well as optimization. Those simulation we have discussed here, we are learning about more and more about the optimization techniques. Okay, yes. Sagar, everything is available. See, the question from the Sagar is how we are going to use the softwares along with the experiments. Okay, so yes, it is now your turn to explore different softwares, because Sagar, abhi dekho, whatever I have discussed right now, it is the kind of thing which we are going to perform in the at the end of this semester, let's say. But till that time, since you are aware about the name of the softwares, please explore it. Please explore it. Okay, even if I'm not wrong, I don't know whether it is available or not. IIT Bombay, they are conducting the online training for the students as well as faculties for different softwares, but they are charging for it. They are charging for it. Okay, so 3 days or 4 days or 5 days a session, 5 days as a training session where you have to pay and you have to perform the, or you have to just, you have to be there attentive, because since it is in online mode. um, I don't know whether they will provide you the softwares or not, but you may download it. If you have laptop, you can download it, you can perform the operations along with them. Okay, but since there is a request from Sagar to how to conduct and how to deal with this, so this is my request to all of you. See, now you have to appear in the interview as well. So before starting your campus interview, you must explore these kind of softwares which may be available, and this will be one of the advantage to all of you. Okay, this will be advantage to all of you. How? कि बहुत सारे लोग वहां पे रिक्रूटमेंट के लिए आएंगे, है ना, इंटरव्यू देने के लिए. If they are not aware about the softwares which are freely available, okay, so this will be plus point for all of you, है ना. आप लोगों के लिए ये प्लस पॉइंट हो सकता है. Got it? Whereas the others, they may not aware about. And if it is freeware, industries may use it. So you have that advantage that you may start working on the software which already they have not used in their industry. So it is the kind of thing that you will be the developer for that new technique in that respective company. Okay, so it will be helpful for you. Yes, Sagar, your point is valid, we will work on it, but this is my request to all of you as well. Please explore the different softwares as well. Clear, Sagar? Yes, interview में इसकी help होगी, definitely. Got it? Yes, thank you, Sagar. Anything else? If not, then you guys can mark your attendance and the link is provided in your chat box. Okay, the link is provided in the chat box. You can mark your attendance. I can see there are 9 students. Good. So mark your attendance there. And if you have any doubt, still, if you have any doubt, if you have any suggestion, please let me know. Okay, please let me know. No responses. Is it? Will you able to open that? I have not received even single response for it. Okay, Sagar. Please check the link. Please check the link as well. Because I have not received even single response for the attendance. Please mark your attendance. Yes, now started with Anupama. Okay, good. Others, please try to mark your attendance. Okay. Okay, then. Thank you very much, everyone, for joining today's session. We'll meet in the next session with the same link. Till that time, take care and bye bye.